Turn on blue light.
Turn on blue light.
Firstly, connect 4 jumper wires to the Bluetooth module. Now connect RX pin of Bluetooth module to the TX pin of Arduino and connect TX pin of Bluetooth module to the RX pin of Arduino. Then connect ground of Bluetooth module to the ground of Arduino and connect 5 volt to the 5 volt pin of Arduino. Now take 2 LEDs. I have taken one red LED and one blue LED. Now connect 2 jumper wires to the negative and positive of LED. Connect positive wire of red LED to the pin number 9 of Arduino, and ground will be connected to ground. Connect positive of blue LED to the pin 8 of Arduino and negative pin to the ground. So that's all about connection part. So moving towards programming part. Programming for this project is very easy. I have linked the link in the description. You can download it from there. Firstly, I have connected 2 LEDs, blue LED and red LED. Blue LED I have connected to pin 8 of Arduino and red LED is connected to pin 9 of Arduino. I have used serial begin to print on the serial monitor. Both LEDs I have used as the output. See, if the command is turn on blue light, then blue light will be high, and if the command is turn on red light, then red light will be high. If the command is turn off blue light, then blue light will be low, which means blue light will be turn off. And if the command is turn off red light, then red light will be low. This is all about programming. Remember one thing, before uploading the code to Arduino, you need to plug out the RX and TX pin, otherwise code will give you error. So for controlling LEDs, you need to download one application. I will leave the link in the description, or you can download it from Play Store. Application name is Arduino Voice Controller. Open app and then connect your Bluetooth module. Your Bluetooth module name must be HC-05. Now, give the command that we have programmed in a programmer. Like we have given turn off blue light or turn on blue light. Turn on blue light.